Who took this? In Italian, chi ha preso questo? Chi ha preso questo? Means who took this? Here, chi means who. Ha preso means took. Questo means this. So we can say chi ha preso questo? Chi ha preso questo? Who took this? Chi ha preso questo? Then, do we want to go out? Do we want to go out in Italian? Vuoi uscire? Vuoi uscire? Means, do we want to go out? Vuoi uscire? Here, vuoi means you want. Uscire means to go out. So we can say vuoi uscire means do you want to go out? Vuoi uscire? Then, are you busy? Are you busy? In Italian, sei occupato? Sei occupato means are you busy? Here, sei means you were. Sei, you were. Occupato means busy. So we can say sei occupato means are you busy? Sei occupato. Then, do you have 5 minutes? Do you have 5 minutes in Italian? Hai 5 minuti? Hai 5 minuti means do you have 5 minutes? Here, I means you have. Cinque means 5. Minuti means minutes. So we can say hai 5 minuti. Do you have 5 minutes? Then, what's happening there? What's happening there in Italian? Che succede lì? Che succede lì means what's happening there. Here, che means what. Succede means happening. Lì means there. So we can say che succede lì means what's happening there. Che succede lì. Then, can I come? Can I come in Italian? Posso venire? Posso venire means can I come? Here, posso means I can. Posso means I can. Venire means come. So we can say posso venire means can I come? Posso venire. Can I come? Then, why are you sad? Why are you sad in Italian? Perché sei triste? Perché sei triste means why are you sad? Here, perché means why. Sei means you. Triste means sad. So we can say perché sei triste means why are you sad? Perché sei triste. Then, where did you buy this? Where did you buy this in Italian? Dove hai comprato questo? Dove hai comprato questo means where did you buy this? Here, dove means where. Hai comprato means did you buy. Questo means this. So we can say dove hai comprato questo? Where did you buy this? Then, what do you think about this? What do you think about this in Italian? Cosa ne pensi di questo? Cosa ne pensi di questo means what do you think about this? Here, cosa means what, ne pensi means you think, di questo means about this. So we can say cosa ne pensi di questo? What do you think about this? Then, why aren't you eating? Why aren't you eating in Italian? Perché non mangi? Perché non mangi means why aren't you eating? Here, perché means why. Non means not. Mangi means eating. So we can say perché non mangi? Why aren't you eating? Perché non mangi? Then, who is speaking? Who is speaking in Italian? Chi sta parlando? Chi sta parlando means who is speaking. Here, chi means who. Sta parlando means is speaking. So we can say chi sta parlando means who is speaking. Chi sta parlando. Then, what time does it close? What time does it close in Italian? A che ora chiude? A che ora chiude means what time does it close? Okay? A che ora means what time? Okay? A che ora, what time? Chiude means close. So we can say a che ora chiude means what time does it close? Then, how much do I have to pay? How much do I have to pay in Italian? Quanto devo pagare? Quanto devo pagare means how much do I have to pay? Okay? Quanto means how much. Quanto means how much. Devo means I have to. Pagare means pay. So we can say quanto devo pagare? How much do I have to pay? Then, have you done everything? Have you done everything? In Italian, hai fatto tutto. Hai fatto tutto means have you done everything? Here, hai fatto means have you done. Hai fatto means have you done. Tutto means everything. So we can say hai fatto tutto. Hai fatto tutto means have you done everything? Then, when can we meet? When can we meet in Italian? Quando possiamo incontrarci. Quando possiamo incontrarci means when can we meet? Here, quando means when. Possiamo means we can. Incontrarci means meet. So we can say quando possiamo incontrarci. When can we meet? Then, do you remember? Do you remember in Italian? Ti ricordi? Ti ricordi means do you remember? Here, ti means you. Ricordi means remember. So we can say ti ricordi. Ti ricordi means do you remember? Ti ricordi. Then, why are you so tired? Why are you so tired in Italian? Perché sei così stanco? Perché sei così stanco? Why are you so tired? Here, perché means why. Sei means you. Così means so. Stanco means tired. So we can say perché sei così stanco? Why are you so tired? Perché sei così stanco? Then, who called? Who called in Italian? Chi ha chiamato? Chi ha chiamato means who called. Here, chi means who. Ha chiamato means called. Ha chiamato means called. So we can say chi ha chiamato means who called. Chi ha chiamato. Then, where can I find this? Where can I find this in Italian? Dove posso trovare questo? Dove posso trovare questo? Where can I find this? Here, dove means where, posso means I can, trovare means find, questo means this. So we can say dove posso trovare questo? Where can I find this? Then, do you want anything else? Do you want anything else in Italian? Vuoi ancora qualcosa? Vuoi ancora qualcosa means do you want anything else? Here, vuoi means you want. Ancora means anything. Qualcosa means anything. Ancora means else. So we can say vuoi ancora qualcosa. Do you want anything else?